In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a profile icon in the Google Chrome browser. If you want to clean up Chrome, remove an old browsing profile, or get rid of a profile icon you no longer use, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Just keep in mind that removing a Chrome profile will also remove that profile's local browser data from your device, such as bookmarks, history, and saved settings that are stored in that profile. So, before deleting anything, make sure you're choosing the correct one. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right area of the browser window. You should see your profile icon there. This may appear as a picture, an initial, or a generic profile symbol, depending on how the profile was set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open the profile menu, where you can see the Chrome profiles currently available on the browser. In this menu, look for the option that says Manage Chrome Profiles and click it. This will take you to the profile selection screen, where all available Chrome profiles are displayed in one place. Now, carefully find the profile you want to remove. Take an extra second here to make sure it's the right one, especially if you have multiple profiles that look similar. Once you've found the correct profile, move your cursor over it or click on it so you can access more options. You should see a three-dot menu associated with that profile. Click the three dots and then choose Delete. Chrome will usually show a confirmation prompt before permanently removing the profile, just so you have a chance to review your choice. If that appears, confirm the deletion to continue. After that, the selected Chrome profile will be removed and its icon will no longer appear in your profile list. If your goal was simply to remove an unused profile icon from Chrome, that's all you need to do. As a quick tip, if you're using a shared computer, removing profiles you no longer need can help keep the browser more organized and make it easier to choose the right account when opening Chrome. Just remember that this action is meant for profiles you no longer need access to on that device. And that's how to remove a profile icon in the Google Chrome browser.